Yeah, man. Today we in here.
Just caught it. They probably can't. Got a fillet. Get the skin off.
Yeah, man. See, we already got this connected. Cut that diaphragm right here. Up the side, other side. Pull and grab.
Yeah, man. The knife gotta be extra sharp. I'm getting it off the skin. Hey man, shout out to them eat for dinner. Tell him y'all like and share this video. I need him to send me some of them silver stack knives he got. And I'm a big fan also. Yeah, he one of the reasons why I wanted to try to fillet this bass off the skin anyway. I did alright for the first time. Pretty clean fillet. Look at that. Mr. Kevin. Look at that fillet. Did I? That's what I was talking about though. Skin.
Why did you got to be under the table?
Did alright for the first time.
That's how they skin them. Right out the skin like that.
On me. You just like tilapia.
Most of the time, that knife got to be super sharp. And then you got to worry about cutting it.
Yep. There you go.
Look at that white thing coming out the spine.
You think that what that is? A nerves or a worm?
Probably nerves.
Yeah, it gotta be nerves. Comment down below what y'all think that this is. We have to post it. I bet they take it down, man. I already know they is. I don't care. We'll probably get $1 million.
You can't take it down. Folks be on there cleaning fish all the time.
Well, fish maybe not be a problem. I know one thing, but you can't clean the deal on there no more. Haul, none of that. You have to make a separate video and put it in the comments. A lot of fans will watch it. Oh. That's all we couldn't wait for.
You don't need to eat them. That's the picky. Well, I don't know how to get in there. I ain't no crook. I know when the crook come right over here.
Hop in there quick and then you can blink.
Like, damn.
You get it done. Hey, man. It's in me, not on me. Come on, knife. There you go. Fillet number 2 ain't as good, but just keep in mind it's the first time. Like it came out the skin, like it was gonna turn out good, but I don't know. Yep. Shoot this thing.
The only reason I don't play that much is I like my bones.
Exactly. Y'all worry about that with that brim though. I eat it just like this. Ain't playing that.
When I get fat boy over today, dang. $2.45.
What? For the pop?
The dealer said 1.4.
Oh yeah, you did say 4 yesterday, so. Dang.
She told me I paid $49 for it on. You little bit of free pregnant? Like, I think he told me 100 and something.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 100 something dollars.
Wait, so the eggs mean they pregnant? I thought the eggs being there regardless and they gotta fertilize them. So they
all of them ain't got eggs. This one do this one. Like that right there, they probably on the bed.
Yeah, he told us
against
that.
the bank.
Yeah, he told us that. He said they were bedding. They gonna start bedding real soon.
That's what it is.
Okay.
When they get full of them in the bed. That's why people some people don't want you to go work fishing their pond, like not for bass, but like for
brim.
For brim and stuff, when they go on the bed, they don't want to do nothing.
Yeah.
Because they going to bite.
Yeah.
You can pick all of them.
He want him out of there, though.
They do.
Because he got so many big. First time filleting. Did the bass.
Yeah, man.
Come on now.
We get into it.
Yeah. I'm going to let you fillet that one. Or the other side so you can practice too. I'm going to start gutting these. Can't really show y'all the cleaning process with some of the YouTube regulations.
I ain't been in there. The window locked too?
Got it all Kevin Groves again. Some of the eggs. This is a delicacy down here in the South now. Teach y'all something. Beat egg. Some for a group, bro. Especially like mullet. You hear me though? We're gonna go snapper fishing.
Oh, yeah. That's what I've been telling my buddy down there. Rat stay down there where the river and the ocean part together.
You stay in Alabama?
Where? Down in Florida.
Florida, what part? Homestead?
Cleaning out this good eat.
Yeah. Let me rinse the glove off so I can show them the inside off. Alright, we're gonna clean. Look at that. That's good eating, man. Tell them, fish, healthy fish. Good, pretty white meat. Cleaning fillets. I'm showing them fillets again. They one got the ribs on it still. I need to get them off faster. Forgot about that. These them fillets from earlier. Look at that. Pretty white meat, man. Just for some of the ones that's out there that's ignorant, these are freshwater fish.